Hi everyone, my name is Sander Mak and welcome to my course What's New in Java 16. I'm a Java champion and author of the O'Reilly book Java 9 Modularity. I've been deeply involved in the Java platform for over a decade now. Java is still delivering on its promise to release every 6 months. With Java 16, we again get many improvements to the Java language and the core platform. Java 16 introduces language changes as well as new tools in the JDK. We'll cover the following new features. We'll look at the new records language feature, offering a concise way of defining immutable data-only classes. Another language feature you'll learn about is pattern matching for instance of, and this is a feature that can reduce the number of typecasts in your code. Jpackage is an all-new tool to create native packages or installers for your Java applications. Besides these bigger features, we'll also look at API changes and changes to the JVM itself. Through this course, you'll get an overview of all the important changes that are part of Java 16. This course assumes you have experience writing applications using earlier versions of Java. After finishing this course, you should feel comfortable using Java 16 in your day-to-day Java development work. I hope you'll join me on this journey to get up to speed with the latest and greatest developments in Java with the What's New in Java 16 course here at Pluralsight.